You have a fantastic idea for a YouTube video and you want to go out there and make sure that it stands out. So you make 3 thumbnails to test. I mean, they really stand out and they really capture the idea of the video. But how do you know which one is better than the others? A/B thumbnail testing. It's a cool tool that everybody should have now in their dashboard. I've tested this on my weight loss channel. Alan Spicer is losing it, by the way. Find the video that you like, click the little pencil, scroll down to where your thumbnail is, click the 3 dots. You'll see test and compare. Your original thumbnail is on the left. You can add your next 2 thumbnails here. Go and find the thumbnail that you want. You can also drag and drop them in, as you can see here. This video is a entertaining video on a specific topic. Comment down below if you can guess what that topic happened to be. Once you've uploaded the thumbnails you want to test, click done. And what it will do is over the next 28 days or faster, if you get loads of traffic on your channel, it will test these 3 thumbnails against each other. And when it's done, you'll get something like this. See, I've done 3 different thumbnails here. In this case, it was the backgrounds that I changed on each one. It tells me thumbnail 1, thumbnail 2, thumbnail 3, and a percentage here of watch time share when somebody clicked on that specific thumbnail. The way it works is that when somebody loads the specific search term that brings up your video, there's a random chance that it will try different thumbnail for you. So as you may have seen with this thumbnail, you may have had the weird thumbnail number 1, 2, or 3, and that has shown that only to you. But somebody else may have got thumbnail 1, and somebody else has got thumbnail 2. They'll click on that, and if they watch that video for a period of time, it then registers that result, and then YouTube tells you the best thumbnail, and then you go back in, and you'll be able to set whatever thumbnail you believe is the best one based on the statistics. And then when you're done, click done, and save, and that's your new thumbnail. You can also put up one of your own thumbnails and maybe even clone a couple of people's other thumbnails to see how they would go. Try multiple thumbnail styles. If you want to know how to clone a thumbnail, videos here.